making orange fireworks.
Hi, welcome to Thai Mountain. Welcome to season 2.
Smoothie sailing!
Smoothie sailing.
And today we're going to make orange fireworks! Yes!
Orange fireworks.
And the main ingredients for orange fireworks are
Orange watermelon ice. Honey. Milk. And vanilla extract.
Okay, Daria, let's go ahead and put everything in here. What would you like to put in first?
Ice.
Ice. Okay, let's go
That
ahead.
looks dull.
Daria. Okay, Daria, what's the next ingredient?
Milk.
Milk?
No. Orange.
Orange? Okay, let's put in orange. Here you go. Put in the oranges. Let's pour it in. There you go. Okay, what would you like to put in next?
Watermelon.
Okay, come on. Drop in the watermelon.
Drop it in.
Yes, you can drop it in. Okay, Daria, now out of the 3 ingredients, what do you want to put in next? Vanilla extract. How much do we put in? You can put it in. Hold on, I'll bring it closer. Okay, Daria, now there are 2 ingredients left. What would you like to put?
Honey.
Honey.
No.
Milk? Okay, let's do milk. Here, slowly pour it in, okay? And now the last ingredient is
Honey.
yes. And what do you do with honey?
Swirl.
Okay, Daria, now that we have everything in the blender, what are we gonna do?
Blend it.
We're going to blend it. Okay, Daria, now I'm gonna give you a special straw.
Okay.
You get a special straw, and Mama gets a green straw. Daria, what is this? It's called the orange fireworks. What is it called? The orange?
Orange fireworks.
Yes, and you have a special straw. Do you like it? Do you like it, Daria?
Yes.
This drink really is like fireworks in your mouth. It has that punch of watermelon, the punch of orange, all exploding in your mouth together. It's amazing. Banana dance. Banana dance.
You see banana, apple, ice, and milk.
Banana, apple, ice, and milk. Banana, apple, ice, and milk. Banana, banana, apple, 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 ice, and milk. Ice and milk. High five. 10 5. Yay! Bye. That's all we have for today on Time Out Smoothie Sailing. Bye. Please subscribe.
Subscribe to Starrin.
Okay, Daria, now that all the ingredients are in, what are we gonna do?
Blend it.
Blend it. Correct. We are going to blend this now.